Body of teen girl pulled from Black River while the search is on for another.
Teach them! Always make sure the message I reach them!
Viewers, one of the two girls who went missing in St. Elizabeth has been found. The body of 13-year-old Gabrielle Madden, a student of Christiana High School in Manchester, was pulled from the river around 9 o'clock on Sunday morning, the 3rd of January, by local divers along with Jamaica Defence Force personnel. The search continues for 15-year-old Celicia Lichmore, a student of the Roger Clark High School in St. Elizabeth. The teens, both from Court District in the parish, went missing about 4 p.m. on Saturday the 2nd of January along the river between Appleton and Magatti. They reportedly went to the river with several others when they were swept away by currents. Residents conducted a search of the area, however their bodies were not found. Divers also began searching for them on Saturday but had to call off their attempts at nightfall. The police and members of the Jamaica Defence Force Coast Guard are conducting further investigations.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!